Welcome to Apollo Techno Industries Limited, a company that blends innovation, engineering, and reliability to power India's infrastructure growth. Incorporated in 2016 in Mehsana, Gujarat, Apollo Techno is a manufacturer specializing in trenchless technology and foundation equipment for the construction industry. We are having strong footprint into domestic and international market. Our product portfolio includes Horizontal Directional Drilling Rigs, Diaphragm Drilling Rigs, Rotary Drilling Rigs, and spare parts. HDD rigs are utilized for installing essential utilities such as oil and gas pipelines, water supply lines, sewer lines, optical fiber cables, and electrical conduits with minimal surface disruption, especially in urban environments. Diaphragm wall drilling rigs are specialized machines which used in the construction of diaphragm walls, which are reinforced concrete structures cast into the ground for various applications such as foundation support, excavation support, and cut-off walls, while rotary drilling rigs are widely used in construction and infrastructure development. They are commonly employed for creating strong foundations for high-rise building, bridges, metros, and other large structure. Spare parts comprise components of machines sold to customers to address damage due to regular wear and tear. Key spare parts include drill rods, hydraulic pumps, motors, mud pumps, and electrical components. We further strengthen customer confidence by offering warranties, refurbishment services, on-site support, and technical training. In 2017, we started our commercial operation in domestic market, and in the same year we exported our product Apollo A800 HDD machine. In 2019, we further launched our product Apollo A1200 HDD machine. We have expanded with acquisition of our wholly owned subsidiary Apollo Techno Equipment Limited and launch of Diaphragm Drilling Rigs. Supported by in-house design and engineering capabilities, SAP ERP system, and ISO 9001-2015 certification, we ensure quality, consistency, and sustainability across our operations. Our presence extends beyond India, with exports to the Middle East, Nepal, Bangladesh, European countries, and Russia Federation, while domestically, we generate business across all states in India. Led by the visionary leadership of Mr. Rashmikant Haripai Patel and Mr. Parth Rashmikant Patel, Apollo Techno is the only domestic manufacturer of horizontal directional drilling equipment, diaphragm wall drilling rigs, and one of the manufacturers of rotary drilling rigs, catering the end-user industry's demand in India as well as in export markets. Together with experienced promoters who have a combined experience of over 22 years in the construction drilling equipment industry and good relation with clients, we are building trust, technology, and tomorrow's infrastructure. Apollo Techno Industries Limited.